Dear students, today we are again just doing some questions of the chapter number 13, exponents and powers. Here the questions are related with expanded form and standard form. Let's get to know what is expanded form of a number. In expanded form, we write the number by showing the value of each digit. Here we show the value of each and every digit, like it is 7294. So 7294. So we have just expanded that. I hope this kind of questions you have done earlier in the junior classes. Now let's start questions. This is exercise 13.3. Here we have to write question number 1. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. Now part 1 is 2,79,404. What you have to do, you just focus on your words. What you said, 2 lakh. So write 2 lakh, then plus 700, 79. 79,000 means 70,000 and 9,000. Then what is there? 440, 404. So 400 is there. Now what is in tens? Nothing. 0 is there. So we will just write two zeros. Now 4 is there. So simply this kind of expansion we have done earlier in junior classes also. Another way to do, you have to just write 2, and how many numbers are there after 2, just put that much zeros. Then write 7 and count the number after 7 and put that much zeros after 7. After 7 there are 4 digits, so we have put 4 zeros after 7. After 9 there are 3 digits, so we have put 3 digit after 9. After 4 here are 2 digits, so we have written 400. Now it is 0. We can simply write 0 or double 0 because after this also here is 1 digit. Now 4 is single. Nothing is there after that. So we have written only 4. I hope this is clear to you now. Next what we have to do. Now it can be written as 2 into 1 lakh. It can be written as 7 into 10,000, then 9 into 1,000, 4 into 100, 0 into 10 because it is tens, and 4 into 1. Means simply it is ones, so will be multiplied with 1. Tens will be multiplied with 10. 100 will be multiplied by 100. This is thousandth will be multiplied by 1,000. And this is 10,000 will be multiplied by 10,000. And this is lakh, so will be multiplied by 1 lakh, as we count like ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Or simply you can just factorize it or simply open it. Now there comes third step. 2 will be written as it is. Now it is 1 lakh. How many zeros are there in 1 lakh? There are 5 zeros. So simply 1 lakh can be written as 10 raised to power 5. Clear? And keep it in your mind that here you have to put positive sign, plus sign, so that if you will add all these quantities, you will get the number which is given to us, that is 2,79,404 again. And here it is between, if you are just opening 2 lakh into 2 into 1 lakh, so you have to put multiplication between. Now it is 1 lakh can be written as 10 raised to power 5, then plus 7 into, this is 10 raised to power 4, then plus 9 into, this is 10 raised to power 3. Just count the number of zeros, that will be the power of 10. Here 4 into, how many zeros are after 1? 2, so it will be 10 raised to power 2. Then plus 0 into 10 raised to power 1, then 4 into 1. 4 into 1 means क्या होता है? It's 1 can be written as 10 raised to power 0, but it's not necessary to write this one term. You can skip that also. Wait for a while. You can just not write it because we know 4 into 1 is equal to simply 4. Yes. 4 into 1 is 4 simply. So this is the expanded form. This is the answer. Now similarly you have to do other parts also. Just have a look on the second part. After 3 there will be this much of zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. Then 0, again plus 0, then 6. After 6 there will be 3 zeros because it's 6000. Then after 1 there will be 2 zeros, and after 9 it will be 90, and then finally 4. Here just focus. It's There are 6 zeros, so we have just uh, separated the term. It can be written as 3 into 10,000, then 0 into 1 lakh, sorry, 3 into 10 lakh, 0 into 1 lakh, then this 0 into 10,000, because it just read like this: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. तो जो वाला डिजिट जिस पोजीशन पर आ रहा है उसको उसी से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. लाइक 6 इज इन वंस, टेंस, 100,000, सो 6 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद 1000. आप ऐसे भी देख सकते हो, और यू कैन सी लाइक दैट इफ 6000 इज देयर, सो दैट कैन बी रिटन 6 into 1000. बोथ वेज आर करेक्ट टू राइट दैट. दोनों तरीके से आपको यही लिखना होगा. देन 1 into 100 and 9 into 10, 4 into 1. Finally all the zeros are written in the form of powers. So I have done 2 for you. I hope remaining you will be able to do yourself. Now expanded forms are given to you and they are asking to you to find the numbers from them. In previous question, question number 1, the number was given to you and they were asking for expanded form, so it is just reverse of that. Here the first is 8 into 10 to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to power 3 plus 0 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 4 into 10 raised to power 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to power 0. Here it can be written like 8 into what is 10 raised to power 4? 4 zeros after 1 means 10,000. Then 6 into 10 raised to power 3 means 1000. Then 0. Then 10 square means 100 plus 4, 10 raised to power 1, 10. Then 5, 10 raised to power 0 is equal to 1, because if of any digit, if power is 0, then the value is 1. We have learned that in laws of exponent. Now 8 into 10,000 gives us 80,000. 6 into 1,000 gives us 6,000. Then 0 into 100 gives us 0. 4 into 10, 40. 5 into 1, 5. So in this way we have got some numbers which are to be added. After adding these numbers, you will get 86,045. Similarly, these parts are also done, and C and D are for you. Now question number 3, express the following numbers in standard form. Okay, before solving this question we have to know what does it mean by standard form. Standard form means in the form of exponent. एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म में लिखना होता है हमें नंबर्स को. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म इन मैथमेटिक्स. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट इज 5. दिस इज 5 crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So it is 5 crore. Simply what you have to do, you have to separate the powers of 10. Now this can be written, how many zeros are there? 7 zeros. So we can write it 5 into 1 crore gives us 5 crore. Then 1 crore can be written like this, 10 raised to power 7, because there are 7 zeros here. And 5 can't be, we can't write 5 in other ways, so 5 ऐसा ही रहेगा. Only whatever are the 10 power, whatever in the multiples of 10, that will be written in the form of power of 10. I hope it is clear to you now. What was the motto of exponential form? Exponent and power. The main aim was द नंबर्स कैन बी रिटन इन शॉर्टेस्ट फॉर्म. देखो इतना बड़ा नंबर था, हमने उसको कितना शॉर्ट करके लिख दिया. दिस मीन्स 5 crore. दिस ऑल्सो मीन्स 5 crore, but it is shorter than this one. Now it is 70 lakh. So we have written 7 into 10 lakh. 7 will remain as it is. Now it is, how many zeros are there? 6. So it becomes 10 raised to power 6. Similarly, other parts are also done. And one more thing I have to tell you here, in standard form, if we are writing something in decimal, so everything, okay, in any standard form, only one number should be before decimal. Like, let's see this example, third. This number is given, so it can be written 31865, yes, into 10,000. Written. Now, just look at here. What we have to do, we have to put that in decimal, because it is the law of to write, it is the way, it is the rule to write in exponent form. There should be decimal if there is, and if there is decimal, then before decimal there should be only one number. And you can't write many numbers together like 31865. This is not the standard form. If you want to write any number in standard form, so there should be only one number. बट यहाँ तो इतने सारे नंबर हैं, अब कैसे इसको लिख सकते हैं? सो वी कैन पुट डेसिमल हेयर. एक नंबर जो होना चाहिए वो मेन होना चाहिए, और मेन नंबर क्या होता है? जो डेसिमल से पहले होता है, बिकॉज बाद वाले नंबर्स की ज़्यादा वैल्यू नहीं होती है. दीज आर वेरी स्मॉल इन क्वान्टिटीज दैट कुड बी कंसिडर्ड हेयर. सो वी हैव टू पुट जस्ट वन नंबर बिफोर डेसिमल. अब हमने ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन में ऐसा क्यों नहीं किया? बिकॉज ऊपर ओनली वन ही नंबर था, ठीक है. देयर वॉज अ सिंगल नंबर 5 and 7. सो we didn't need that decimal there, but here we need decimal. Now what we have this time, that should be in your mind कि मुझे इस नंबर को 3.1865 बनाना है, ठीक है. So after this, just wait for a while. Okay, here what you can do it after this, you have to make it 3.1865. Is it easy to make? Yes, it is easy, but how we can make it? Just recall class 6th. In class 6th, if we want to convert any decimal quantity, if we want to remove decimal, we used to multiply by 10, 100,000. Yes. And if we want to convert a simple number into a decimal quantity, so we used to divide by the numbers which having zeros. So like here 31865, and it can be written 10 raised to power 5. Now we have to convert that into decimal form, and how we have to write 3.1865. So how much places decimal should be shifted? अगर किसी नंबर में कहीं पर भी डेसिमल नहीं है तो हम क्या कंसीडर करते हैं कि लास्ट में डेसिमल है, तो ये डेसिमल हमें कहाँ लाना है? यहाँ. सो वी हैव टू शिफ्ट दैट डेसिमल 4 places. So we have to divide that by 10 raised to power 4, और you can say by 10,000. अब हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो साथ में मल्टीप्लाई भी करना पड़ता है. अगर हम अपनी मर्जी से किसी चीज़ में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, सो सेम नंबर विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड ऑल्सो. हियर दिस गिव्स अस 3.1865 into 10 raised to power 5 is already there, and it is 10 raised to power 4. Finally, it is 3.1865 into 10 raised to power. Here we will use the law of exponent. If bases are same, power will be added. Means it will be 3.1865 into 10 to the power 9. This is our answer. So you have to do up to question number 3, part 3. Question number 4 and remaining 2 part of answer question number 3 will be done on the next day. Thanks for joining. Have a good day ahead.